Hello, and welcome back to our United Certifications recordings about testing fundamentals for software engineers. Welcome, Matthias.
Thank you, Carl. Glad to be back.
And I have another question for you. So we're talking a little bit about testing fundamentals for software engineers, and we've gone through in other videos who it would be good for joining the course. In your opinion, what is the most valuable aspect of the course, or what someone could take out of the course at the end?
Well, the most valuable aspects there are various aspects that are very valuable. For instance, one of the things is having a risk-based test strategy. I teach a way of working that I've applied myself for many years that works in most situations. I think as well, looking at the part of the developers and administrators, I teach them the right testing mindset. That's something very valuable you gain from this course. I also teach a number of testing techniques which you can apply directly in your everyday work. And I also look at the requirements, and I teach them some skills to write requirements in a very structured way. So I think those are the most valuable aspects of the course.
And I noticed there's one chapter where it's just mentioned, there's three topics in particular that are mentioned a little bit more. Security, performance, and usability. Why were these three mentioned for further experience in the future?
Well, I think looking at most everyday projects nowadays, then it's not solely about checking functionality, because you can build an application that's functional correct, but it also has to perform well, and it also has to be secure, of course, and it has to be very usable, so that users not get annoyed or offended by the way they have to use the application. And I think once you teach someone testing, you have to include those three aspects as well.
Awesome. And it's interesting that they're added in there, because it also adds maybe to the next step. So someone who's very interested, because of course there's only so much you can do in a very fundamental course. So those who are interested in more hands-on experience with the performance testing can move on with the Performance Testing United and dealing with hands-on experience with JMeter, the world's market-leading open source tool, or also become an ambassador for user experience and usability with the UX United. And so that's really, if you want to have more information, or anyone else wants to know more about those, you can also check on our website in unitedcertifications.org, and or write to us at info@brightest.org, and we can provide you with any information you might need. And feel free to check out the other videos that we have available on our YouTube channel that explain a little bit more about why this course exists, who it's for, and what you can get from it. And thank you so much, Matthias.
Thank you, Carl.